Our water feature is surrounded by our grade nickel Raffinato curb in 7-inch and a hybrid edge restraint. We're using Atlantic Oase Eco-Blox. They slide together and act as our reservoir. On this side, we have our pump vault. It has the same exterior dimensions as the Eco-Blox, and our contractor has already plumbed in the auto refill valve. These are sitting on Eco-risers. That makes plumbing these solid hammered brass urns easy, and they're certainly eye-catching. I'm standing on Canine artificial grass by Garden Mark. It's clean, it's fresh, it's mud-free, it's all weather. It has a high flow rate, which is convenient. We're on a permeable base and bedding layer. It is secured with nail mark spikes, bond mark adhesive, and seal mark tape that will make this pet relief area safe and secure. With some final cutting around the perimeter, we'll be ready for our Sweeper Pro that will straighten our fibers and highlight our 4-color blend. It will certainly be pro-natural, pro-people, and pro-pet. And the green on grade nickel even exceeded our imagination. Two-zone irrigation system, drought-resistant plants and trees, river gravel bed, all complement Garden Mark artificial grass for water conservation. It's pet-friendly with antimicrobial infill. It's a hybrid installation, so making cleanup with a hose a breeze. It's got a 15-year warranty. And this Augusta turf, with its bent grass feel, gives you true ball roll and speed, making backyard golf with family and friends fun.